Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I want to show you how you can set parental controls on your kid's iPhone. If you don't know where settings is, make sure to find settings first. That's this little gear tool here. And it's going to bring you to your settings. And the next piece that we want to go to is we want to go into your screen time. In screen time, turn it on. And then you turn up screen time. Let's just say that this is my child's phone. You can set parental controls based on your kid's age, apps, books, movies, videos, profile, web content, and you can turn on any restrictions that you want to. So you want to turn on restrictions. And then on here it says set time screen away from phone. So if you want to allow your kids to access the phone at a certain time, you can set permissions on what time they can start and what time they can end. This next screen is going to allow you to show any categories and set limits on different websites, apps, and categories. So on here, it shows you all apps and categories, social, games, entertainment, creativity. And then on here, you can set the time amount for each application. Next, what you want to do is create the Apple ID that you have for your passcode recovery. Now, when you've added the screen time lock code along with the Apple ID, you can start managing how you want to set the screen time content restrictions and any app limits that you may have for your child's device. So if you go to like your downtime, you can set downtimes for tomorrow. You can set app limits for different type of applications on the phone. You can also set communication limits. So you can have allowed communications at a certain time or certain people. The next piece that's really cool is you can have a blocking content and privacy on the phone. So based on how you want your information, your child's information, and the location services, what you can do is you can have location services, contacts, calendars, all these different things, and you can change it to either allow or you can change it to disable contacts. You can change these restrictions and you can set these limits however you want. Now, the only thing that a lot of people is going to have questions about is, can my kids change these restrictions? The answer is no. So as long as they don't know what the screen time lock code is, then you are good. Only you that knows what the screen time lock code is can alter or change the content that's inside the screen time on the phone here. But that's it. I appreciate you guys watching in today's video. If you got a lot of content from this video, please hit that subscribe button, hit the like button down below, and make sure to share it to your friends and family as well. But until next time, I will see you in the next video. Peace.